Hey, what's going on, everyone? Let's take a look at this XTZ BTC analysis. So you all know with the global economy on the verge of collapse, altcoins and Bitcoin seem like a great investment right now. And based off this analysis, XTZ, in my opinion, looks pretty good, especially when paired up against Bitcoin. So it looks like it's going to outperform Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, I have three important support and resistance zones marked off. And I also have this bull flag pattern that seem to be in. So we're at a current crucial support right now, and if this support holds, we can expect this upper resistance to be reached in probably the medium term. So let's see how far away we are from that. So if we reach this zone, that'd be around a 64, 65% increase from where we are now. Now, if this doesn't hold, if the support here does not hold, we likely won't be reaching this zone in the medium term. We will likely head down to this zone. Let's see how far of a drop that is. So from where we are now, that looks like it's about a 24, 25% drop to that lower support area. But being that we are in this bull flag, I would say any move outside of the bull flag, especially a move above this area right over here, would confirm that we are heading to this next resistance. You guys could always buy on a confirmation, but I see it as being very likely that we are going to break out upwards, and XTZ is pretty cheap right now. Look at the USDT pair and see how much it is in dollar value. So in dollar value, it's about $1.68 from its previous highs of around $3.94. So I would say a move above here would signal that we are heading back to those highs, as this looks like some sort of bump and run reversal pattern. We've seen this on many different altcoins. If you guys have watched my previous analyses, you would see that this is a pretty bullish pattern. And as soon as we make it above there, we're going to head to this upper zone. And that's where I would target, but I'd probably hold it even past that at that point if I'm looking to hold this for the long term. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Try to make this one quick. You guys should definitely give me a subscribe, like this video, and make sure to join my Telegram. The link is down below while it's still free. That way you guys never miss out on free analysis like this. Join our group chat with already 530 members and growing. All right, guys, take care.